I've got a bunch of cups to decorate. I've got a bowl to decorate, but I am completely distracted right now. I have got a ridiculously small studio area. I mean, literally not much more space than what's around my wheel. And I've got to use every available surface I can. Every flat surface, anything that I can make a shelf or something to put a shelf on, I can do. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I figured out a way that I can make like temporary shelving to use when I'm throwing. And that's something that, as I'm taking pieces off the wheel, they need to go somewhere. So I have figured out within an arm's reach a decent place that I can put some stuff. So anyway, I'm gonna do that build and I'll check in just a minute. Put a spacer washer in here. And there you have it, a simple fold-down table of sorts. The beauty is, I never cut a piece of wood for this project. I just drilled a bunch of holes. Thanks for stopping by and checking on my progress. I really appreciate it. And if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. If you want to continue to follow me as I document the steps I'm taking to get my pottery business going, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when I post a new video. Again, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.